Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to alphabetize data in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to sort by alphabetically. Now, select the cell or range of cells you want to alphabetize. Navigate to the Data tab on the main menu bar. In Sort and Filter section, you will find the Sort A to J and G to A buttons. Click on it. A dialog box may appear, allowing you to confirm the range and choose additional options. Ensure everything looks correct and click OK. Your data will now be alphabetized based on the selected column. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.